Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. Now, most of you know the context. Ustad Adnan Rashid Bhai and myself, we published a video regarding a prophecy competition that took place between the founder of Ahmadiyya movement, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, and his ex-follower, Abdul Hakim Patyalvi, in which both of them are prophesying about the death of each other in a certain time period. We specifically highlighted this part in which allegedly the god of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is promising and prophesying for Mirza Ghulam Ahmad that his lifespan will extend from July 1907 more than 14 months, and then rest is history. It did not happen. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, according to his own, because this was going to decide between Abdul Hakim Patyalvi and Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, that who's the liar. And the son of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, the second caliph of Ahmadiyya Jamaat, he has confirmed that with regard to the revelation Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was receiving, his understanding was that Abdul Hakim Patyalvi will die in the lifetime of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. This obviously did not happen. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad died within 9 months. Now, after that video came, as usual, one paid Ahmadi deceptive cleric, because it is his job. He's paid for this work. He came out, he made a video, he tried to give this impression that whatever we are presenting, that is a deception, because he named it historic deception in anti-Ahmadiyya history. Or common Ahmadis, now look at this one. How easy is that? We are making a claim, and on the other side, your cleric is saying, no, 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 we are deceiving. Let's decide. We are simply, and we have published a video. We have published a video and we have challenged this Ahmadi cleric and by extension to entire Ahmadiyya establishment that come forward. Let's have a debate, a civilized debate, a dialogue on your official platform, a fair debate, a proper debate in which you bring your evidence, we'll bring our evidence. Then let the public decide that who is deceiving and who's actually telling the truth. Now, after making that video, I made sure that I went especially on the YouTube channel of that deceptive Ahmadi cleric and I put under comment. I said, you know what? This is the challenge you have published. And I said, I have concern that you're going to remove this comment. And guess what? Just before making this video, I went on his YouTube platform and guess what? My comment wasn't there. Oh, common Ahmadis, we are making a claim. We have a position, very simple, that whatever Mirza Ghulam Qadiani gave as a criterion on the basis of his revelations, according to that criterion, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani has died the death of a liar. That's our position. If you think you have better evidence and you can prove that we are deceiving, why are you not accepting our challenge? Oh, common Ahmadis, if your Jamaat is not coming forward, those people who are paid for this work to defend their profit, why aren't they coming forward? And let me show you what he said in the Twitter post, and let me show you my comment as well. Look at this one. So as you can see on your screen, so this was on 24th of September. Okay. That's, he said, historic deception in anti-Ahmadiyya history. Because one of the thing is, whatever we mention, I don't want to say copycat, but it's definitely the case. You have seen in the past as well. Anyhow, so this was on 24th of September. So after he made this claim, we published the video, and as you can see on your screen, this is the same video, and then underneath the video on his YouTube platform, I went, and as you can see my comment, I put this comment as well. Okay, and this comment was put here 4 days ago. I checked his channel, his video, just before making this video, and my comment wasn't there. It was simply removed as usual. Okay, it's very it was expected. Anyhow, common Ahmadis, I'm addressing you. We are making a claim, and your establishment is saying, no, 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 we are deceiving. How the matter can be decided? Isn't that the way to decide? No problem. Let's sit. You bring your evidence. We bring our evidence. Let the public decide. Why aren't they coming forward? Why are they hiding now? And guess what? This same deceptive cleric, almost more than 1 year now, I have given him open challenge. I said that this was the personal belief of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. And what was it? That Na'uzu billahi min zalik. The Prophet of Allah, Isa alayhi salam, he was a drunkard. He used to drink alcohol, na'uzu billahi min zalik, and he has relationships with the prostitutes. These are the personal position and beliefs of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. And it's been 1 year now. And then after that, he jumped on his channel and he gave me a bunch of conditions. If you believe that you have evidence and you can prove that this was not the personal belief of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, why are you afraid of a debate? Why? And by the way, okay, this had been the case in the past as well. Inshallah, I'll make a separate video on his track record. Okay, but for now, I'm telling you that these two examples, the allegations of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani on the Prophet of Allah Isa alayhi salam, that challenge is still out there. Why is he hiding? Why Ahmadiyya establishment is hiding? And then this Abdul Hakim Patialvi prophecy competition in which Mirza Ghulam Ahmad has died according to his own criterion as the death of a liar. Oh, common Ahmadis, I know that you believe in this person as a prophet. And when we say these things, it hurts your emotions. But you need to understand, we are presenting the evidence. And if your establishment is so convinced, if they are so confident, why are they hiding? I am waiting for them to have proper debate on the official platform on these two topics. These two topics will be, inshallah, eye opening. And guess what? They have no idea, with Allah's tawfiq, with Allah's permission, the evidence we're going to present, especially in the case of Abdul Hakim Patialvi, it will be mind boggling. We are waiting for them to accept this challenge. Challenge is still out there. By simply removing our comments, it would not save your face. Because common Ahmadis, they are thinking human beings. They can see, they can realize that if Ahmadi clerics have evidence, why are they not accepting the challenge? Looking forward to. Thank you.